In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Minimax Image to Video. So Minimax, you can just go to them by going to minimax.io. You can notice that they have a lot of agents. You have Minimax Agent, API Platform, as well as Hilo AI Video and Minimax Audio. For this case, we will need the AI video, and when you click on it, you will be redirected right here into this part. Just head over and click on the image to video option from there, and you can see this. First, you need to actually drag, paste, or upload an image for this. So let's click onto this start. And for this case, let's head over and add right here an image. Once you have added right here an image, you also need to make sure that you're signed up. Once you're signed up, you can upload right here your image, and from in there, you just need to input right here and enhance the movement for this image to video. This will be the start frame. You just need to add right here an end frame that you wish to use. Click onto this end right here, and then you can switch from other versions right there, and from there click on this option right here in order to actually send, and also you can choose presets or prompts available for this case. After that, this should be able to generate right here a video based on the image that you have provided. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.